Report by asset. Okay. And, so this is the report that we create. Okay. So let's go to create another report. Let me see if the example that I have applied or something that is interesting. Um, okay, let's go to use this. Okay, so for this report, we are using information from the work order table. In this case, we create a group M for asset ID for all the open work orders. Okay, and so and we are using some information about the work order tables. So, for example, we are using the work order number, work order date, asset ID. Um, but let's say that we need information in that report or to include information about the asset ID that is not part of the work order table. So this is the information that we have for each of the work order, but there is some information that we don't have here. So for example, let's go to select this water heater here. So the site is here, building and serial number. So let's say that I'm going to use I want to see in the report the manufacturer and the serial number of that asset ID. So if I go to the work orders list for this water here that I have here and open the record of that work order, so we don't have here for this asset the serial number. So let me show you that in the report. So if I click here, edit, so I need to have the serial number for this asset ID. And what I'm trying to do is, okay, let's go to this part and add the serial number. If I type here, serial number, it's not there because it's not part of the work order table. So should I need to create another report based on the on not in the not based on the work order tables, but based on the access table? So and mix that information with the work order with the report that I have. So uh, in that case, I need to create two reports. Uh, is that the case that for that report? So the easy way to do that is from here. I can select. Okay, pencil. I can select this pencil here on top of the select table. Edit. And then remember this manage table relations that we saw yesterday?
Yes.
Okay, so I can select the asset tables, which is I have a relation between the assets table and the work orders table. So I can extract information from the asset tables directly from here, from this report. So the same way that we used yesterday it is possible to use that relation here in the reports. So apply changes, And now, if I go to this pencil here, now I have access to the assets table, and I can type here serial number. So I
Okay.
can add that field here, and for example, the information here. And the other things that I want to see was the manufacturer, manufacturer, and the manufacturer is here. Um, serial number. So let's say that that's the information. In this example, I just use the assets, but remember that we have relation with another tables in the database.
Okay. So we're
If
pulling information from multiple tables.
Yeah, that's right. So
Okay.
click here, and I have, for example, another tables that some of the customer use is the charges, because maybe you want to see how many um, how many hours of labors you have per work orders. So you can select this one, and this table work the charges include the labor hours that the technician add uh, add to the work order, to a particular work order. Okay, so you can use this, and also we have another tables that we have available. For example, documents and work order requests is another table that we have relation with the work orders. And the same thing happen with the another tables like schedule activity and any other. So you can do that from directly from that report. So you don't have to create two reports. So one report with information from different tables that you have in the database. Okay.
Okay.
So so let's see what happened in the preview. So now so now we have the serial number of this asset ID, what is the description of this asset, and what is the manufacturer of that asset. So we can present that, we can send that report directly uh, to the person that need that information together as a one report. Okay, and um, go to asset ID generation in the table. Oh, let's go to add a rule, another rule. So let's say that this report open work order by asset. Um, for example, next year you will have work order from 2024 and work order from 2025. Okay, and you want to create a report that is auto generate like this. Um, oh, by the way, let me see my email if I have my report. Oh yeah, remember that we create this auto generation here. Okay, this is the report that I received. Okay, so this is the report. Look at this. So the auto generation is working. This configuration that I make here is working because I triggered the report for today at 12 p.m. Oh, 12 p.m. What is the reason that I said it's 12 p.m.? All those servers for the auto generation, they use the Eastern time, not the not your local time
Mm.
by default. If you want to change that configuration, we need to you need to contact the uh, the people in the support. They can change that time in there. That is something that happen in all the trainings. So, but 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 I want to show you is that the auto generation is working, and I received that email. Okay, let me delete it and check this one because most of the time I forget to, and I still receive some reports. Okay, so another another filter that I want to show you in this part is, so let's say that I want to see all the open work orders for the current year. How do you do that? Because remember that I mentioned next year you will have in eMaint a lot of work orders from 2024 and from 2025. So if you want to receive just the work order for the current year, we need to use the file that I mentioned that I showed you yesterday. That is expressions. This one, this one. So for current year, we have a list of the most common expression that we use, and that expression is possible to use in the report. So for the current year, this is the expression, date, time. Okay. So the current date, not the current year, current date and time. So let's go to add a new rule. So I'm going to select work order date. Work order date is work order date. This one. When this the work order is was created, and we need to select is greater than or equal to January the 1st for the current years. And we are going to use not the value because, for example, next year, if I select January the 1st, 2024, the next year will include
Those. Mm.
the 2024 and 2025 work orders. So I need to select an expression, and that expression is going to be this one, date, year, date. So let me explain this part. This is the date, which is this expression, date, parenthesis, gonna be the current date. Oh, let me give me a minute. I need to answer one call.
Sure.
Sorry. Okay. So date. parenthesis is just the current date. So January 18. But in this case, we are this expression is date, year. This is the function that extracts from the current date, which is this, the year 2020 2024, and this is the month and the date. Okay, so January the first, current year. So in this way, we can use this. We can use the auto generation and receive that report for the for all the open work orders for the current year. Even if we use this report next year. So with this expression is the current year, and also we can select. For example, you can create different reports, one report per month, and then you just need to change this number one for the number of the month, uh, two for February, three for March, etc. Okay, so
But
that's the expression.
the year is automatic, whatever the current year is.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah, because we are calculating the year of the current date. Mhm.
Okay.
Okay, so this is the expression. Okay, right now we don't have too much work orders. Those are for 2024. But in the case that we have another work order that the date is different, it's going to show. Let me try to change the information. So I'm not sure if I can change the date, the work order date. I don't want to try to do that and show you the difference. Okay, that show you that is working. So let's go to save this information. Check the preview. Mm, So that's corrective assignment. Open work order by asset. Oh yeah, I make a mistake. Yeah, edit is less than and equal. No, it's greater than or equal to date. And so to save. Okay, there you go. Let me see in the work orders list the date. Work order date. Oh yeah, we have one work order 2016. This one is going to disappear from that list. If is that corrective? Oh yeah, it's open. So in this list we don't have the 101 work orders because that doesn't belong to the 2020 2024. Okay, so now is working that filter with this expression. Okay,
Okay.
see, so the next level that we are going to have is the graphical report. But let's go to try some practice using this the junction between two tables, and also uh, using the expressions like this. Oh, let me send that file to you first because you need to have the file. Mm, Eddie, Julie, Heather, Chuck, Sammy. Am I missing somebody from the list?
Tyler?
Sammy?
Tyler
Tyler.
Portner? TY?
Yeah. TY. Well, my email should just be TCORTNER. Should pull up that way.
Why?
Your
Yeah.
Savita email.
Yeah. Oh, you want? Okay, I'll just give it to you. So Tyler, TYLER
E-L-E-R. Uh-huh.
dot
Dot
Portner, CORTNER
O-R E E
NER. N
N
as in Nancy.
E
Yep.
R.
Yep. At
That's right.
Help. Yep.
And yes. Friends. Stop. This one. Oh, work parameter sample. Well, presentation. Oh, this one is something that is interesting. And oh yes, this insert one additional. This one is the step-by-step instructions summary. Okay, then so now you have this file that is the expressions. Okay? The beginning of the years, this is the one that we use. Okay. Versus specific month is the same thing, and we change this number. This is a month. Um, to create a date range, the date. So different expressions that we have. Also, we are going to use that expression for the columns later. Okay. Um, so let me save. Oh, this is the report. So let's go to do a practice using this. The join between two tables and also some expression maybe like this, or maybe for example, let's go to create the report for January, March, uh, one per month instead of this. One per month.
How about for the last 90 days? What would
Oh
be
yeah, that's good. Yeah, because in this case, you can use date parenthesis minus 90.
minus 90? Okay.
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 So let's go to try to create that report, and let me know if you need my help.
Hey, Menu.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I've added I've got the work table and the asset table, and I'm looking for the serial number. Is that from you click on? Is that from clicking on the asset table there,
Yeah, you need to. Let me edit this.
or do I click on the left? Oh, under
On the
selected
left,
forms. Okay, okay, under selected
select
forms.
columns.
Okay,
Yeah,
got it. Now go to serial number.
and you can select the what is the
Serial,
table,
yeah,
work orders or
got it.
assets.
Serial
Mm-hmm.
number. Okay. Manu, so for the if I want to go back 90 days
Huh?
in the under the work order date, so I've got date, year, date. Um, then I would put uh, the month
No,
for January.
it's just this date parenthesis parenthesis
I'm
because
sorry.
it's
Say
the
again.
last 90 day from today
Yeah,
is date parenthesis parenthesis minus 90.
minus 90. Okay. Minus 90, parentheses, parentheses,
And
and then no month,
the
no
relation
month or day.
is greater than or equal.
Greater than or equal.
Mm-hmm.
And then just minus 90. Okay.
Yeah, that's right.
Okay, it's generating the table, but nothing in there. We know we have corrective work that's 90 days old, or
Okay.
older than 90. Okay, I got you. Okay. Yeah, we have nothing that's older than 90 then. Okay, so if I did it older than 9, I should see some now.
Yeah, let me see. What is the report name? Did you already save the report?
I'll save it. Save new record. It's called Open Corrective Works Older Than 90 Days. Open. Say open.
Here. Open work orders.
Oh, sorry, it's just now saving. 1 second. Still saving. Okay, now it's saved.
Oh yeah. Gonna be this. Perfect. For builder. Mm-hmm. Open. Corrective. Greater than equal. Oh, this is. Oh, let me fix this. The date is. There is a mistake here. I'm going to edit. Yes. Because in this case, it's gonna be, yeah, date, year, no, date,
Oh, just today's date minus 90. Minus whatever. Okay.
and then here minus 90.
Uh,
Sure. Let me see. Preview. Yep, you got it. Mm-hmm. So let me save this.
okay.
Perfect.
Excellent. So this will show me anything corrective that's still open and older than 90 days.
Yeah, that's right. Yeah.
Okay, I see your formula now. Okay. Okay, nice. I think the system does have some like this already too that are older than 7 days, older than a week.
Yeah,
Okay.
that's right. Yeah,
Okay.
it's possible.
Okay.
Yeah, can for a period of time you can define what is the period that you want. Mhm.
Nice. Okay.
Okay, so it's good to have the break for the lunches. What you mentioned before.
Yeah, if we're at a good stopping point, I still have a few minutes if you want to continue, or are we going to go to the next module?
Um, well, I prefer to uh, have the break and then
And then,
start with the graphical report
okay,
after the
very
break.
good,
Yeah.
very good then. Okay, then we'll break for lunch. Then it'll be about 30, maybe 40 minutes.
Yeah, 40 is it's okay. The time that you need, let me know. I will continue here online, but I'm going to is